Is he still looking? He left. What? See, now he has us acting strange, and the last thing I need is another strange guy in my life.
What's up, losers?
Right.
Damn hiccups!
So you guys pumped for Bazemore's party tonight?
I guess. You?
Totally, I'm bringing a guest.
Oh, not that X-rated balloon animal guy again.
No, that was a one-time deal. He was great, though.
That poodle he made was very creepy. Beth, that wasn't a poodle.
Oh. Damn it! I'm gonna kill you, hiccups!
I'm bringing my brother Randy. He's home visiting from college.
Wait, is Randy the one that used to put his dirty underwear in your lunchbox? Ew.
Yeah, that's him, the hilarious one.
Funny.
Did I hear correctly that one of the Harnish clan was admitted into a college? Clown college, I assume? No, Philip. O'Grady Community College. Sure, they offer a clown program, but it's not a clown college anymore. Ha! My humble apologies.
Hiccups!
Now, Harold, yelling at your hiccups is way more annoying than your hiccups.
Sorry. You...
Have you tried holding your breath?
Yeah, but it only made me disappear.
What?
Yeah, watch.
Harold?
Oh my god, where'd he go?
Ow!
Wow, cool.
Ow!
Hey, check this out.
Okay.
This is awesome.
I can't believe he wasn't wearing underwear.
I know.
That's so gross when guys just wear a jockstrap.
Well, I'm off to the ladies' locker room.